So I wasn't planning on filming this, but seeing as my dad is now in the middle of an out-of-state business trip for the week, and I have resorted to smaller projects to keep to keep me busy, I thought I would record this. Just something to, a second video to put on my YouTube channel to hopefully get people interested. I don't know what I'm doing. But I thought, hey, I finally got my Stirling engine from Christmas running. So why not make a load for it to carry, since the camshaft of it is actually made of a gear. So I'm loading to Tinkercad because that's the only thing I use to make models and stuff. And I thought, well, I have some spare parts lying around, I can make it power this fan. So I'm hopefully going to be able to figure out a way to laser cut parts and use a gear train to power this fan, hopefully at a slight angle so it can actually blow onto your face. So I'm going to skip over all of the boring stuff and probably cut to explaining how this is going to work. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so after a lot of designing, I have come up with hopefully the final thing. There is this base piece and this gear that's going to mesh with the gear of the crankshaft, which goes up through this shaft all the way up to the small gear right here to give it as much of a gear reduction as possible, which will go into this larger gear, which is angled. Even though the gears aren't really meant to be angled, I decided it would be better to just try and have the fan blow air somewhat horizontally. And then it goes up into this shaft, and the fan will be mounted right here at the top. So I would have shown the building process, except for the fact that everything pretty much went according to plan, except I did have to drill out the holes for the axle so that they slid freely in there. So let's just test this thing. So all I need to do is put this little alcohol lamp in here and light it. There we go. You can see, it's kind of hard to see on camera, but it is burning. You can see there's the gear in here, attaching to the orange gear. If I turn it back, you can see the shaft going all the way up, and if I zoom in here, you can see the two gears that mesh right in there. Oh, move that slowly. You can see the two gears that mesh right in there, and then you can see the fan. So I'll be back in a minute once this thing is warmed up. Okay, I think that should be good. So let me see which way this should spin. And I can even spin it from here, just to try. You can just try spinning it from here. There we go. Okay, it does spin pretty slow, but the engine can go much faster. I think the throttle is all the way open. Just let that start up. Here, I can put the microphone near it so you can hear it. It sounds so cool. Oop. This is really cool. It does spin pretty slow. I can't really feel any air coming off of it, but I think this is a cool little project, and I'm glad I now have a little area to document these things and share it with everyone else who wants to see this kind of stuff. So thank you for watching. This is pretty much it. I didn't really have anything planned. I just thought it would be a cool thing to show. Yeah, bye for now.